In a quaint village, nestled between the towering peaks of Himalayas, there lived a humble woodcarver. His name was Arjun. His tiny workshop situated at the edge of a dense forest and was filled with intricate carvings of animals, mythical creatures, and delicate flowers. Arjun was known for his exceptional craftsmanship, but he was also known for something else, his peculiar habit of talking to trees. Arjun believed that the trees had souls, and they whispered their stories to him. He would often spend hours in the forest, listening to the rustling leaves and creaking branches. One tree in particular, an ancient oak that stood tall and proud, had a special place in Arjun's heart. He called it Variksha, which meant trees in Sanskrit. One chilly autumn evening, as the sun dipped down, Arjun sat beneath a Variksha's sprawling branches, carving a piece of wood. The air was crisp and the forest was bathed in the golden glow. Suddenly, Variksha's branches began to sway gently. Arjun heard a faint whisper, Arjun, my friend. The startled Arjun looked up and saw one of the Variksha's branches extended towards him. Holding a small piece of glowing seed, with a trembling hands, Arjun took the seed and held it close. What is this? He asked. The seed of the forest guardian. Variksha replied, plant it in the heart of forest, and it will guide you to the hidden realm where magic and wonder awaits you. Arjun's curiosity was piqued, and he decided to heed Variksha's advice. The next morning he set off into the depth of forest, the glowing seed safely tucked in his pocket. He journeyed through the dense underbrush, crossed the babbling brooks, and climbed the rocky outcrops until he reached a secluded clearing. With the great care, Arjun planted the seed in the soft soil. As soon as the seed touched the ground, it began to grow at an astonishing rate. Vines and flowers sprouted, weaving towards him. With the great care, Arjun planted the seed in the soft, fertile soil. As soon as the seed touched the ground, it began to grow at an astonishing rate. Vines and flowers sprouted, weaving themselves into the magnificent arcade that shimmered with an otherworldly light. Taking a deep breath, Arjun stepped through the arcade and found himself in a breathtaking realm, where trees glowed with a soft luminescence and air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. As he marveled at the beauty around him, a gentle voice called out, Arjun. Turning towards the voice, Arjun saw a figure draped in the emerald robes, with eyes that sparkled like a star. I am Anaya, the forest guardian, she said with a warm smile. You have been chosen to protect this realm, to preserve its magic. Arjun felt a sense of awe and responsibility wash over him. He knew that his life would never be same. With Anaya's guidance, he learned the ways of trees and secrets of its magic. Together they ensured that the hidden realm flourished remained untouched by the outside world. Years passed and Arjun's legend grew. The villagers spoke of a wood carver who ventured into the heart of forest and returned with the touch of enchantment. And though he continued to carve wood in the little workshop, Arjun knew that his true calling lay in the whispers of the trees and magic of the hidden realm.